Are you ready to meet the future of luxury travel? Welcome back to Auto Insider, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest vehicles on the market. Today we have something truly special, a luxurious blend of performance, technology, and home-like comfort on wheels. Meet the 2025 Cadillac Motorhome, a game-changer in the world of high-end travel. Cadillac is no stranger to luxury, and this time they've taken it to the next level by bringing their signature craftsmanship into the motorhome segment. Designed for those who crave comfort without compromise, this motorhome offers an unparalleled experience on the road. Let's start with its design. At first glance, the 2025 Cadillac Motorhome is a stunning fusion of futuristic aesthetics and classic Cadillac elegance. It boasts a bold front grille with signature LED lighting, giving it a commanding presence. The aerodynamic bodywork is sculpted not only for style but also to enhance efficiency. And yes, it sits on massive 22-inch alloy wheels, ensuring a smooth ride despite its size. Stepping inside is where the magic truly happens. The interior is nothing short of a five-star hotel on wheels. Cadillac has integrated hand-stitched leather seating, genuine wood trims, and ambient lighting that adjusts to your mood. The spacious cabin features a full-size kitchen, a luxurious bathroom with a rain shower, and even a king-sized bed in the master suite. The living area is designed with smart home technology, allowing you to control lighting, temperature, and entertainment with voice commands or a touchscreen panel. Now, let's talk about performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Cadillac Motorhome is powered by a 6.2L twin-turbo V8 engine, delivering an impressive 550 horsepower. Paired with Cadillac's advanced all-wheel drive system, this motorhome ensures stability and control, whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating rugged terrains. For those leaning toward sustainability, Cadillac also offers a hybrid variant with an extended range of up to 700 miles per charge, making it one of the most efficient luxury motorhomes in its class. Safety is, of course, a priority. Cadillac has equipped this model with advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system for seamless parking and maneuvering. The self-parking feature makes it easier than ever to dock this luxury giant into any spot. Now, let's get to the big question. How much does it cost? The base model starts at $250,000, while the fully laden variant with all the premium features pushes closer to $350,000. Pricey? Yes. Worth it? Absolutely, if you're looking for an unmatched blend of luxury and convenience on the road. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Cadillac Motorhome. What do you think? Is this the future of road travel? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Auto Insider, because in our next episode, we're reviewing another exciting car you won't want to miss. See you next time!